Now the second application of the transistor is BJT is used as a switch. Switch means on switch and off switch. So already I discussed in the previous slide. The transistor is act as a off switch in the cutoff region because EB junction and CB junction, both junctions are reverse biased, and transistor is operated as a on switch in the saturation region because both junctions are forward biased condition, and transistor is used as an amplifier in the active region because EB junction is forward, CB junction is reverse biased condition. So now in this session, in this slide, the BJTs act as a on switch and off switch. So here we are using the common circuit, that is common configuration is the common emitter circuit in both cases. So in cutoff region, so you can say that it is an open switch. So when it is open switch, no current is flowing, so it is called as a off. It is called as a off switch. In saturation region, it is a closed switch, means it is an on switch, because in saturation region both junctions are forward biased condition. See here, in cutoff region, in this circuit I am applying 0 volt as an input to the base terminal of the transistor. At that time, when no voltage, base current is 0 through this RB. Okay, when base is 0, collector current is also 0. Okay, and here one voltage we are using as a supply voltage plus VCC. So this plus VCC is used to operate this or activate this circuit, this transistor. So at that time, when both input and output currents are 0, 0, so at that time there is no any way to flow here. There is no any communication. There is no any communication between input and output side, so that it is act as a open switch. It is act as a open switch. Then similarly, when both IB is equal to 0, IC is equal to 0, is indicates what? Emitter base is reverse bias condition, collector base is also reverse bias condition because of IC is equal to 0, IB is equal to 0. Next, come to saturation region. Here it is act as a closed switch. See here, now we are applying here some amount of supply voltage plus VBB. So this plus VBB is used to become EB junction as a forward biased condition. Before in this circuit, the EB junction was reverse. So now with the help of this plus VBB, now I am going to become EB junction as a forward bias condition. So when it is forward bias condition, so a small amount of current is flowing through this resistance RB. When IB is flowing, when IB is increases, the IC is also increases at the saturation level. Okay, so with the help of this VBB, the EB junction becomes forward because of IB is flowing. If IB is flowing, the IC is also flowing, or IC also increases. Due to increment in the IC, whatever the output side junction, collector base junction, it also converted from reverse bias to forward bias condition with the help of this plus VCC. So at that time when a current flowing through the RC or collector side, at that time this circuit, this transistor is act as a closed switch or it is on switch. It is on switch.